Hi guys, welcome back to Tilly Cooks. If this is your first time, then you are in the right place. And if you are a returning subscriber, you are the real G. Thanks for sticking with me. In today's video, we're making plantain fritters, what we call Kaaklo in Ghana. It's made from overripe plantain and some natural spices. So we have ginger, we have some dried chili pepper, we have black peppercorns and some cloves. All these are natural spices. So and onions as well. So we are going to grind these natural spices together, and I'll be using my earthenware bowl, my asanka, to grind this up. Then once I have a good, it's well grinded, I'm going to add in some of the plantain. Now, I like to do this. I like to divide the plantain into two portions. I blend one half in a blender to get a very smooth texture. And then the other half, I like to use the earthenware, bowl. So that will not be very smooth. It will still have some lumps in there. So the two, combined together is just perfect. Okay, so that's what I did. If you prefer it lumpy or you want it very smooth, you can decide to blend it. Just get creative, but this is how I like to do it. So once it's all ready, I'm going to combine it in a bowl. Okay, both the one I blended and the one I grinded in the earthenware bowl. Add some salt to taste. Okay, adjust it to your preference and then stir it up. Now we'll be adding all-purpose flour. Okay, some people like to use just corn flour, but I am going to use both. So 1 cup of all-purpose flour and then half cup of corn flour. It gives it a perfect texture. So this is just how I like to do mine. Once you add it in, please stir it well to ensure that the flour has incorporated into the plantain butter. Now we're going to heat up, some oil on medium heat, and then we are going to carefully drop in, our plantain butter. I'm using a tablespoon to drop that in and allow it to cook about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Now you know when to flip it over when you notice some tiny holes, showing or appearing on the other side of the plantain, as you can see. Okay, so once you see those tiny holes, it means it's ready to be flipped over. The other side is cooked, so you need to turn it over and cook the other side as well. Now once they are golden brown, please remove them out of the oil, then drain it on some paper towels. Then you're ready to go. You can enjoy it raw like this as a snack, or you can accompany it with any other dish. Some people like to eat it with beans. If you have a dipping sauce, please go ahead. However you want to enjoy it, it's in your court. The ball is in your court. Please enjoy it, but I prefer to eat mine raw, just like that. It makes it, I get to taste all the flavors in there. So the sweets, the spicy, all those things. It's just perfect. As you can see, just look at this. Tell me this is not something you'd want to try. So guys, there you have it. Golden brown, delicious plantain fritters or kaaklo. It's crispy, it's fluffy and very flavorful. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.